This is a 2014 BMW 328i. We're going to do a axle back exhaust on it. Just doing a little before and after. See what it all looks like stock. We're going to leave the factory front pipes and throw the resonator on there. We'll get back to you here. Let us see what the finished product looks like. Okay, as you see, we deleted the rear muffler, installed a nice custom exhaust tip, but installed a single chamber V2 muffler where the factory resonator was, but still left it all stock up front. Just give it a little bit of rumble like the customer's looking for. Let's see what it sounds like.